How to make money as a beta tester for new apps. Ever wondered how new apps get tested before going live? You can earn money by being part of this process. Here's how you can start making money as a beta tester for apps. No experience needed. The best one is at end of video. Please like and subscribe if you are new. UserTesting. This platform connects you with companies that need real people to test their apps. It's simple. Create an account, complete a quick test to qualify, and start testing apps. You'll get paid for each test you complete, with payments ranging from $10 to $60 depending on the complexity. Second, beta testing, another easy-to-use platform where you can test new apps and websites. Simply sign up, apply to available tests, and provide feedback on user experience, functionality, and bugs. You'll be paid for each completed test, and the best part, no tech skills are required. Third, test.io. This is a great platform for beginners looking to get started as beta testers. You'll test everything from apps to websites and provide feedback on usability and bugs. The pay varies based on the task, but experienced testers can earn bonuses for finding critical bugs. Fourth, TryMyUI. Here you'll test the usability of apps by recording your screen and giving feedback on how user-friendly the app is. The tests are usually 15 to 20 minutes long, and you get paid $10 for each completed test. It's easy money, and you get to help shape the future of new apps. 5. PlaytestCloud. If you're into mobile gaming, this one's for you. PlaytestCloud lets you test new mobile games in their beta stages. You play, provide feedback, and earn money. This is a fun way to test the latest games while getting paid for your time. 6. UserTesters, a platform that pays you to test apps for both usability and bugs. You can work remotely, choose your tests, and get paid based on the quality of your feedback. The more detailed your reports, the more you can earn. So, whether you're testing mobile apps or games, these platforms give you the chance to make easy money from the comfort of your home. Ready to start earning as a beta tester? Subscribe for more videos